All right, in order to make a blog for school, you're going to have to start with Google Sites. So I would go to Google Classroom first, go over here to your tic-tac-toe menu, click on Sites, and then of course there's lots of clicking, so you got to go to New Google Sites, and in the bottom right hand corner you're going to see Create a New Site. I want you to click on that, then just put your first name here, and then again, and then this is going to be first name blog. Remember your apostrophe because you own it, and then your S, and then capital for the blog. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over here to pages, and you're going to start to make pages for your different classes. Of course, this is art, so we'll start with that one. You can also make one for PE and health. So by doing that, I went to pages here, and I'm clicking the plus button down here, and then when the new page title comes up, I'm titling it the names of all of my major classes, and then also my specials. So I go to plus again, and then in this one would be engineering. Then you're going to make one for tech, and then do your major classes: science, math, and humanities. And then come up here and hit publish. Absolutely every time after you hit or you create new things, you have to hit publish for it to show up. And so it's going to give you this web address, and then if first name or something like, or your name isn't available, your first name, just put a 1 or another number after it, and then click publish. Right? From there, we're going to go to the art one, and for my assignments, I'm always going to require you to insert 2 things. One is a text box, and in that you would put your artist statement. And then above that, what you would have is from your Google Drive, you're going to want to either search for recents, or I always suggest going in here for, what is it called? Either type slideshow or the name of it. And then you'll either double click on it or click on it, and then you'll insert your slideshow under there. That way, when you publish it and you go to look at it, what happens is when you turn it into me, I can just cycle through the different lessons that we had in the marking period. And that's basically how you make a blog.